Alright. What's up, you?
What I had to do for my career. God, the only man I felt. Take one of mine and I go scream before I ever drop the shell. They don't bleed how we bleed. All I know is keep it real. You want me sign for my bun, so how you glad I signed the deal? I be peeping niggas vibe. I just act like I don't care. You don't come outside.
Bro, I need to get me a tripod so I can hold it though. Yeah. For real, for real. Did the intro? Yeah. Like I said, if y'all don't know, y'all, people who already watch the Snapchat story, y'all already know my phone, bro. So I gotta get my phone fit. There's a lot of people out here shouting. Damn, bro, it's packed as hell. Yeah, they packed. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all, boy, once we get to the episode. Got me some little piece. Feel me? Just about to see how they work out. If I like it, I'm gonna buy it. Get back with y'all boys. Alright. I had bought some clothes. I forgot to record it. We're still walking around. We in the tattoo shop right now. Got doing. My boyfriend gave him a nose piercing. I don't even know what the fuck going on. My boyfriend gave him a nose piercing. Oh, you think it gonna hurt him?
Hell yeah.
He said, man, I get, let's say this video get 500 likes. I get a tattoo. Get a tattoo. 5-0. We're gonna get a tattoo.
You finna get tattooed?
Man, what? Is that proper? That's free. You say what? Then what? What about that? We're pocket. Got a little shirt. Graphic tee. It's not tough though.
I am Goldar, and I will hear your fortune.
But that thing started talking. That's why I was like, what the freak?
With it, YouTube. Come on, ooh, peep the fits. Come on.
Hey, come on. Give me one of my girls.
Hey, I don't need no other food. Her man, girl. Okay.
Myself. Give me and my girlfriend right here. Shot it bad. Tip. Out here. This don't feel like real skin.
It must have felt like starting.
It don't feel like real skin. Henry, look at this. Look at this. It feel like real skin.
It might be.
He said it might look. They feel like real skin.
How they do that?
He said how they do that. What's up?
What side you
What's the
It's good.
for boys? Cause I know.
Left side.
Yeah.
Yes, the left side.
That's what they said Tupac had his on.
There we go.
Bro, what the? We on this side? Oh, I'm gonna step right here.
I had this pain since I got my ears pierced. What's up, bro?
There's a mirror right there. I put it in like 2 different areas so you can let me know.
Bro.
He is funny, bro.
Man, what?
This one right here.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Hold on, y'all guys wait so I can grip real quick.
That's stuffed in. That's all I got.
You want me?
That's all I got.
I got you too. Appreciate it. So, look how he holding the bear. Look how he holding the bear.
So just take a deep breath in, and then just let it out. And then just another deep breath in, and just let it out. The needle's still in there, so you gotta relax. Relax your face for me. Just relax your face for me. We're not doing nothing more.
Come on, kid.
See, now we're done. I just gotta clean it up, okay?
Oh my goodness.
You okay? There you go, we're over.
That man tearing.
Oh, I can
Swear that shed a tear.
I ain't recommended that, bro. I didn't expect it.
Man, what?
I don't want it no more.
Man, what? That man, he threw me off when he said, oh.
I can't even move my nose. Oh, shit. It's probably gonna be so.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be sore.
I don't know how bad it counts.
Man, what?
I ain't getting one.
Hey, man. I'm not getting no piercing. I get a tattoo before I get a piercing. That jump.
I can't even move my nose.
He said I
It's
can't.
gonna be a little tricky that first day. If you want, you can try putting a band-aid over it. When you sleep and stuff, like when you sleep and stuff, so you don't hit it. You all good?
Yeah, thank you.
Good? Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
Huh?
you can get tissue.
Ooh, imagine you had to sneeze. Ooh, that gonna hurt. If you gotta sneeze. Alright, I'll get back up with y'all, boy. What's up, YouTube? YouTube. If you do not know, we have made it back to our destination, buddy. We are the lady who did it. Nose piercing has effed up really bad. Really bad. Really bad. I do not know what to think or what to do.
I'm gonna tickle it. It's over.
But they can't drive.
You bogus. Out here weird.
Y'all wanna know their license plate is
You weird.
C8. Let me stop. Let me stop. Alright. What's up, YouTube? We done get a little fit of the day. Got the little get the fit of the day on my boys.
Feel me? I can't slight with it, you know?
Yeah, he came laid back, cool, calm, collected.
We just chilling out here, man.
He said we just chilling out here.
Fresh little anti, bro. We just chilling.
You act like you ain't got them balloons. Oh, damn. You ain't even got them.
Got them on, bro.
You don't even got them on, bro.
Got them on.
I hope these folks don't be dick running about their camera.
Nah, man.
He said, nah, facts. I hope they don't be dick running. You said turn the camera off? You folks dick running. Alright, I'll tell y'all boy later.
It's gonna be crazy. Yo, copyrighted.
Alright, appreciate it.
Mr. Bowling. Dang it, man. We'll ask.
You're supposed to be doing summer school or some shit.
He would ask
Guys, we're about to go rob Quan. No clickbait.
Let me tell y'all the fucking plan.
He said, "Let me tell y'all the plan. We're gonna go out here and we're about to go beat up the shade and we're about to see if
Bro, what happened to his sister out here? Brooklyn.
Ooh.
Bitch with her ass.
Man, what? I got to.
Like, nigga, get your fat ass away from me. You know you want to hot dog, nigga.
once that Brooklyn kid, please take me.
Bruh.
No, nigga. You're not even
content worthy.
You're not even content worthy. Is it?
Oh, fuck. Damn,
damn.
that shit crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's a blurry.
Very.
Larry.
They can't even see me. I'm too dark.
Chop boys.
I'm too dark.
We're gonna go rob. Man, where? That's one person I'm gonna look for.
I got it for him.
I'm gonna say, "What's up, homie?" I'm gonna say, "What's up, homie?"
For real shot.
Come on, dog can't breathe. Been doing gay stuff the whole ride. Tell him.
Tell them what you been doing.
You remember that dude in that
Oh, yeah,
video?
he's talking about some,
With the
see that video of that white girl, bro? And then she was dancing in that old head.
Oh yeah, he said, "I'm with a book right now. I'm with a book right now." I know they ain't taking payment for parking. Come on, gangsta. Come on, gang. Let me get my car ready. Just in case. Oh shit, yeah, let me get my car ready for real. Yeah, bro.
What's going on, gang?
What going on?
You got a ticket already?
No, I don't got a ticket.
You paying cash out?
Cash out.
Oh, they got you up there then.
Alright.
Too late.
I didn't know you had a ticket.
Ticket.
We got invited. Man, that's what I thought. I thought it was. Quan, you lied! Got everything. Damn, bro, they tearing it up, bro. They tearing it up, bro. He said
It's in that Camaro, I think.
He said they played
Y'all
it.
lose on more than 6 to 24.
This man.
But that son cooking out here, ain't he?
Man, what? Just wait until it get nighttime. Man, what? What practice? I don't know what I do. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Boy, that mug tough, boy. That mug tough. Man, what? He said big huh? There go his track out right there. There you go right there. Right there. His track out right there. There go his little brother. Right there. What going on, fool? Where your brother at? Oh, man.
Oh, I see a track.
Yeah, that's his little brother. Oh, there go Kaya. He said, "Hey, what going out here?"
Nah, that shit hard.
That's hard. That's both of them hard, bro. That nigga said, "Fuck it, we follow it close." Oh, snow. Oh, I gotta get this.
I seen one dude over there. I swear that was Lil Tony, but I wasn't sure.
Who?
Look, you know who Lil Tony is?
Yeah, you seen Lil Tony?
I think so. I don't want.
That shit loud. But that shit is loud, son. Man, come on, man. Good food. You gotta rise up. Got some hard fits out here too, man. I ain't gonna hold you. That boy Quan about to take off. Nah, ain't gonna lie, he did get burned. Bro, ain't no way, bro. That jump. We gotta get the track off. It's official track off. We did track off. We did track off, bro. What? What? No. Bro, what the?
Hey, he just out here poking him out, boy.
She got that thing thumping.
Oh, yeah, I already seen that.
What?
Right, to your left.
Oh man, everybody out here, man. Everybody recording. This boy got the Uncle Kane.
Yeah. Bust that Mustang ass up. Yeah, show man shirt. South Carolina. South Carolina versus everybody.
He said South Carolina for everybody.
Hey, y'all heard what
You said y'all heard what Unc said, bro. Unc said South Carolina for everybody. Unc said he official. He said South Carolina for everybody.
Damn, playing no game.
Damn, she got that thing. She got that thing. She got it. She got that thing. Yo. They ain't searching, bro. Yo, what's going on?
Oh, that's
crazy, man. Yeah, he said what's up. He said what's up. Bro, that truck off is fast, bro. Oh man, Hey, girl.
I kept guessing the ball. I'm fire every fucking time. You ain't coming up on me. You ain't running up on me. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm the city, bitch.
Yeah.
Bitch, down here, huh? But I am a country, bitch.
Yeah.
But I am a country, bitch. I got that Bama in me, though.
Okay.
Big Bama.
She ain't with shotters, we pouring the blast from bottle to bottle. My baby a mirror, just sipping, I'm stepping. A lot of my style is up here. Shoot my bitch like I know what's that upgrade models. My bitch ball on with 1 million, I say yeah. Fill up a clip, go fill up a safe. Fill up a clip, go fill up a safe.
GTA. It's a Tesseract. It's a Tesseract. But I know this joint loud. I already know it, man. Yeah. Hold it. He said we put. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all ain't. About to say security ain't up here. Security ain't up here. He said y'all wasting time. Where the freak? Man, what? That just made my ear. This don't made my ear ring a little bit.
Yeah, that is a big shirt. That's a track and
Oh yeah, that okay, cute.
Not a real place. Get the right. Yeah, they went all over the world.
I'll get my footage. What's going on, man? Okay. But that shit loud, fool. That shit loud. That good shit. What the freak, bro? Man, go smoking ass.
Even the police come out here strong, man, every day.
Police about to get on the track. Oh, snap.
Man, we not a real place, bro.
ATL is not a real place.
Hey, y'all be fucking up our traffic, nigga. Stop moving down here, nigga. Ain't shit down here for y'all, nigga.
Hey, no, this some real shit. When y'all get in the lane, stay in the lane, man. Y'all be swerving in and out of lane. Pick a lane. Oh, yeah. Turn up, auntie. That Maybach tough.
What you mean? I got one too. Y'all say shit about my Maybach.
Oh, your Maybach tough too, twin.
What the fuck?
Yo, your shit's cool too, twin. Okay, okay. Okay.
That's all.
Auntie. Okay, I see you. Auntie. Okay, on. Okay, on. Get it on. That's tough. What's going on? I'm going. It's packed out here.
Nigga trying to see you.
He said, nigga, section.
You got fans out here, nigga. What you doing? I'm live for a while. Yo, I got some sick photos of Jeff Star. I try to call your phone. Man, I've been trying to follow you in there. I just tried to find you about 15 minutes ago. That's so loud, man. You been out here? Yeah.
I think he done. No. He pulled off. Man, what? He right there. He right there. He pulled off. He finna park. He finna park. What's up, Quan?
What's going on, man? You good?
Good, man. Good, man. Hey, say some motivation to the vlog.
Yo, vlog. Stop being me.
Hey, like, you can.
Both taking them?
I was gonna take one by from my thumbnail. All right, appreciate it.
What's up, man?
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
What's Shanio?
Wait, you took it on your phone?
Yeah, right? No, I took it
On it on.
What? Yo. What's up? Damn, you tall. Damn,
I told
damn, that nigga tall, bro.
Hell no, I ain't tall. What's that, man?
Bro, why? I knew y'all. I sat there in the car. I said we was literally impersonating you in the car. I said, watch it. I said, Rock gonna be like, what's up, man? What's up, man?
Yeah, it's not. We turned over. Oh, did we? How they do it?
Oh, yeah.
So y'all boy be safe now here, man. Keep working, don't you? All right, let's do it.
Y'all can take it off my phone.
Your phone? Oh.
You.
That man got a picture with you.
got internet, right? One of y'all go get my charger off, man.
Nigga, no!
I ain't bring, I bought it my M3.
I say, boy, are they, y'all gonna be sliding?
This is great.
Alright. Hey, be safe.
Well, Calvin, let me see the picture you took on your phone, man.
What? Oh, you can hold it?
Yeah, I got you.
Appreciate it. Alright, you too.
Right there, that's all.
Oh. Nah, this.
That's not tough, bro.
Man, what? Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? What's going on, man?
Y'all on my dick.
Oh, my fault.
What's up, boys? I get a flip to it.
No. Bro, you got anything motivational to say? Quan said, stop telling these fuck to beat they meat.
He said, tell her stop being their meat.
I said, say something motivational. He said, y'all quit being your meat.
That motivational. Stop being your meat. Stop chasing around these goddamn bald-headed ass females.
Yes, sir.
Work on your goals.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Bitch.
Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? He trolling.
They said they gonna ship them.
Oh, man.
Alright, y'all boys.
Alright, safety. Hey, man.
I just got this one today.
Hey, man. You need to tell Quan to give me that camera, man, the lens and everything, the settings. Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? He said, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey, I'm gonna start saying that.
Nigga, what the fuck? What are you doing?
About 300. It's just me and bros. What your
Okay.
shit in, twin?
Calvin?
Nigga, put that shit in.
Alright. You say nigga put that shit in.
So you got some gold? Nah. Fuck.
Oh, man. What y'all boys doing? What y'all about to head to?
Shit, man. Fuck vibes here.
I don't know.
Shit going
We
on?
just got done talking to Raw. He said they about to go get some food, so
Shit, you know what they said.
I don't even know. We trying to figure out the low two, man. Oh man.
Them niggas probably gone.
They didn't say nothing to y'all when y'all left?
No, we asked that nigga, like, I was just talking to Quan, and I ain't even asked him nigga where he going and shit.
Oh. Yeah.
Bro, what's the move there, bro?
I don't even know. We about to go get some eats.
Say that, I'm finna go do the same shit.
We just about to go get some eats. Alright, y'all be safe, man.
Y'all be safe.
Alright, y'all be safe.
How gay?
What the freak? He said laughing at the house gate. He laughing at the house gate. Bro, no.
No, cause these kids started talking shit to me.
He said, you still pissing the bed.
He said, I don't even know how to feel after that.
Bro, what? All I hear is people cussing. I'm like, hold on now. What the freak? All right, you guys, we just got done eating. We left from the event. It been like hours ago, as you can see, because it's dark and it's black as I don't know what outside. We got my sister.
Hey.
We got Kamaria. We got Keenan. We got my dog Henry. Hey man, y'all go subscribe to my boy, bro. Y'all show it. Come on. Hey, me and my dog finna talk. Yeah, so like, to be honest with you, you feel like robbing you? You feel like what?
Take all the cash.
Alright, babe. When we turn back around, we're gonna rob them. Alright, babe.
But what the fuck?
Hey man, come on. We need to talk to you. Hey man, what we talking about? Like, to be honest with you, you know you're my gang, right?
So.
What's going on?
Oh, you definitely don't want to be right here.
Yeah.
What happened?
But Henry, tell him what we gotta do to him. Like,
What the fuck you mean? What the fuck?
nigga, run me the wallet. He said no. But nigga, what the fuck?
Hey, close that back door. Close the back door. Hey, next vlog, we going to a Diddy party. I swear. Nigga, no! New Diddy party on the way.
Oh snap! Y'all look at this.
Doesn't the doors have to be shut?
Yeah, y'all can shut the door for me.
He's so long. That just been raining. I didn't know it rained.
Dang, bro, it ain't gonna do it.
It'll do it. I think you gotta just keep
What the fuck?
Nigga, what the fuck?
shit once and it'll do it.
I'm ready to go. It'll be okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's your cousin, ain't it?
Oh,
Ain't this your cousin?
yeah, that my cousin.
Oh, yeah, I follow him. He's funny. I like him.
Yeah, he's kind of gay. Dre. Dre, you made it to the vlog. But we about to go. This is the end of the vlog. I'll see y'all boys. Take for the buck. We out.
For you, baby. Stop being me.
Nigga, no!